Hello students, I am Mrs. Madhavi Salodkar. I am going to take third lecture for Unit 1, Business Statistics second paper, TY-BCom. The name of the topic is Examples based on permutation and combinations. See the example. A committee of 4 persons is to be formed from 10 persons. Find the number of possible ways. Number of possible ways is equal to 10C4. That is nothing but 10 factorial upon 4 factorial into 10 minus 4 factorial, which can be written as 10 factorial upon 4 factorial into 6 factorial. So we can write 10 factorial as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 6 factorial. So 6 factorial gets cancelled. 4 to the 8 gets cancelled with 8 in the numerator. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. So the numbers which are remaining in the numerator are 10 into 3 into 7. So final answer is 210. Next type of problem. Find n if np3 is equal to 2 into n minus 1 p3. We'll expand np3 with the help of formula. np3 can be written as n factorial upon n minus 3 factorial is equal to 2 into n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 minus 3 factorial. So if you solve it further, we are going to get it as this is equal to 2 into n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 4 factorial, which is equal to, now left hand side we will write as it is, n factorial upon n minus 3 factorial is equal to 2 into n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 4 factorial. Now n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial upon n minus 3 factorial. So n minus 3 factorial cancels with each other, which is equal to 2 into n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 4 factorial. Now on the left hand side we are having n minus 1, n minus 2 is equal to 2 into, now n minus 1 factorial can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. So n minus 4 factorial cancels with each other. N minus 1 from left hand side, n minus 1 from right hand side cancel with each other. N minus 2 from left hand side, n minus 2 from right hand side cancels with each other. So we are getting n is equal to 2 into bracket n minus 3. So if you solve it further, we are getting n is equal to 2n minus 6. So the value of n is nothing but 6. Now we will check whether 6p3 is equal to 2 into 5p3. This equation is correct or not. So 6p3 can be considered as 6 factorial upon 6 minus 3 factorial is equal to 2 into 5 factorial upon 5 minus 3 factorial. So 6 factorial upon 3 factorial is equal to 2 into 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. So 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, which is equal to 2 and 2 cancels with each other, 5 factorial. So 6 into 5 into 4, the product becomes 120. We want to check whether it is equal to 5 factorial or not. So 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So 5 factorial, the value is 120. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore n is equal to 6. So we can say that 6p3 is equal to 2 into 5p3. Next example. Find n if np4 is equal to 12 into np2. So np4 we can expand with help of formula. We can write it as n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial, which is equal to 12 into n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial. So n factorial from left hand side, n minus n factorial from right hand side, we can cancel directly. So if you rearrange the terms, we are getting n minus 2 factorial, we can take it in the numerator. So n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial is equal to 12. Now n minus 2 factorial can be written as n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial, which is equal to 12. So n minus 4 factorial cancels with n minus 4 factorial. So if we open these brackets, we are getting n square minus 2n minus 3n plus 6. 12 we can take it on left hand side. So minus 12 is equal to 0. So it is the quadratic equation in n square minus 5n minus 6 is equal to 0. So because of this minus 6, we want numbers whose difference is 5 and whose product is 6. So 6 ones are 6 and 6 and 1 difference is 6. Difference is 5. So n square minus 6n plus n minus 6 is equal to 0. So take n common from first two terms, n into bracket n minus 6 plus 1 into bracket n minus 6 is equal to 0. So n minus 6 and n plus 1 are the factors of the quadratic equation. So we can say that n is equal to 6. Next example. Find n if NCn minus 2 is equal to 21. So we will expand NCn minus 2 with the help of formula. We are getting it as n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial into n minus n minus n. Minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2 factorial, which is equal to 21. So this is nothing but n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial. N and n gets cancelled. So this is remaining value is 2 factorial is equal to 21. Now n factorial we can write it as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial upon 2 into n minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 21. So n minus 2 factorial upon n minus 2 factorial cancels with each other. We are getting it n into n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 21. So n square minus n minus 42 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in terms of n. Now again we will search for two numbers whose difference is 1 and whose product is 42. 7, 6 are 42. Difference of 7 and 6 is 1. So n square minus 7n plus 6n minus 42 is equal to 0. So we can take n common from first two terms. N into bracket n minus 7 plus 6 into bracket n minus 7 is equal to 0. So value of n is equal to 7. So we will check whether 7c5 is equal to 21. This equation is correct or not. So 7 factorial upon 5 factorial into 7 minus 5 factorial is equal to 7 factorial upon 5 factorial into 2 factorial. So 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 2 into 5 factorial. So 5 factorial we can directly cancel. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 7 threes are 21. So we are getting answer 7c5 is equal to 21. So our answer of n is equal to 7 is the correct answer. See, this is the question from University question paper for 2 marks. 2014 question paper. Find n if nc5 is equal to 5 into np3. Now nc5, the expansion of nc5 is n factorial upon 5 factorial into n minus 5 factorial is equal to 5 into n factorial upon n minus 3 factorial. Now n factorial directly we can cancel left hand side and right hand side. Now we will rearrange the terms. This n minus 3 factorial we can take it in the numerator and 5 factorial we can take it in the numerator on this side. So n minus 3 factorial upon n minus 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 5 factorial. Now n minus 3 factorial can be written as n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial divided by n minus 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 5 factorial. So 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So 120 into 5. The answer is 600. and product of n minus 3 and n minus 4 is n square minus 3n minus 4n plus 12. So again rearrange the terms, we are getting it as n square minus 7n plus 12 minus 600 is equal to 0. So n square minus 7n minus 588 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation in terms of n. Search for two numbers whose difference is 7 and whose product is 588. So 28 and 21, these are the two numbers whose difference is 7 and whose product is 588. So n square minus 28n plus 21n minus 588 is equal to 0. So we can take n common from first two terms, n into bracket n minus 28 plus 21 is common, bracket n minus 28 is equal to 0. So n minus 28 and n plus 21 is equal to 0. So value of n is equal to 28. So again check whether 28C5 is equal to 5 into 28P3 or not. So 28C5, expand the term 28 factorial upon 5 factorial into 28 minus 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 28 factorial upon 28 minus 3 factorial. So 28 factorial upon 5 factorial into 23 factorial is equal to 5 into 28 factorial upon 25 factorial. Now 28 factorial we can write it as 28 into 27 into 26 into 25 into 24 into 23 factorial divided by 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 23 factorial is there in the denominator. So 23 factorial we can cancel with each other. On the right hand side again 28 factorial we can write it as 28 into 27 into 26 into 25 factorial divided by 25 factorial. So we can cancel 25 factorial and 25 factorial in the numerator. So remaining values are 5 into 28 into 27 into 26. So if you multiply the numbers we are getting it as 98,280 is equal to 98,280. So our value of n is equal to 28 is the correct answer. Next example. Find n if NCn minus 2 is equal to 180. This is the parallel example which already we had seen in the last pattern of the question paper. So this is the question paper 2014. The problem is for 2 marks. So again expand the term NCn minus 2, we can write it as n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial into n minus n minus 2 factorial is equal to 180. So n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to 180. N factorial we can write it as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. So n minus 2 factorial cancels with n minus 2 factorial and 2 will get cross multiplied with 190. So the quadratic equation becomes n square minus n minus 380 is equal to 0. So again we need two numbers whose difference is 1. Because the value minus 380, we want the difference of two numbers should be equal to 1 and the product should be equal to 380. So 20 and 19 are the two numbers whose difference is 1 and whose product is 380. So n into bracket n minus 20 plus 19 is common, n minus 20 is equal to 0. So n minus 20 is equal to 0 or n plus 19 is equal to 0. So value of n is equal to 20. So again we can check whether the answer is correct or not. So we will expand 20C18 is equal to 190 or not. So 20 factorial upon 18 factorial into 20 minus 18 factorial, which is equal to 20 factorial upon 18 factorial into 2 factorial. 20 factorial we can write it as 20 into 19 into 18 factorial divided by 18 factorial into 2. So 18 factorial gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. So 19 into 10, the final answer is 190. So n is equal to 20 is the correct answer. This is the question from April 2016 question paper for 2 marks. Compute 25C23. So the expansion of 25C23 is given by 25 factorial upon 23 factorial into 25 minus 23 factorial. So this is equal to 25 factorial upon 23 factorial into 2 factorial. 25 factorial can be written as 25 into 24 into 23 factorial divided by 2 into 23 factorial. So 23 factorial cancels with each other. 2 ones are 2 12s are 24. So 25 into 12. The answer is 300. Next example. NC4 is to NC2 is equal to 11 is to 1. We want to find the value of n. So NC4 can be written as n factorial upon 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial. Is to means divided by n factorial upon 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial is equal to 11 divided by 1. So that is nothing but 11. Now again we will write n factorial upon 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial divided by, we will rearrange the terms. This division we will convert it to multiplication by taking the reciprocal of right hand side values. So n factorial upon 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial multiplied by 2 into n minus 2 factorial divided by n factorial, which is equal to 11. So n factorial gets cancelled with n factorial. So numerator the values are 2 into n minus 2 factorial divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into n minus 4 factorial is equal to 11. Now n minus 2 factorial can be written as n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial divided by 12 into n minus 4 factorial. N minus 4 factorial gets cancelled with n minus 4 factorial. So the values which are remaining are n minus 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 11 into 12. So this becomes the quadratic equation in terms of n. So n square minus 2n minus 3n plus 6 minus 132 is equal to 0. So n square minus 5n minus 126 is equal to 0. So we will search for two numbers whose difference is 5 and whose product is 126. So 14 into 9. The product is 126 and difference of 14 and 9 is 5. So n into bracket n minus 14 plus 9 into bracket n minus 14 is equal to 0. So n minus 14 and n plus 9 are the factors of this quadratic equation. So value of n becomes 14. Next example. Find n if np2 is equal to 72. So n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial is equal to 72. So n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial is equal to 72. So n minus 2 factorial we can cancel with each other. So the quadratic equation becomes n square minus n minus 72 is equal to 0. So again search for the two numbers whose difference is 1 and whose product is 72. So 9 8s are 72. So n square minus 9n plus 8n minus 72 is equal to 0. N is common from first two terms. So n into bracket n minus 9 plus 8 into bracket n minus 9 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 9. Value of n is 9. So check whether 9p2 is 72 or not. So 9p2 can be written as 9 factorial upon 9 minus 2 factorial. We don't know whether it is equal to 72 or not. So that's why we are putting question mark. So 9 factorial upon 7 factorial is equal to 72. So 9 into 8 into 7 factorial upon 7 factorial. 7 factorial cancels with each other. So 9 8s are 72. 72 is equal to 72. Therefore n is equal to 9 is the correct choice. Next example. How many different committees of 4 students be chosen from a group of 15 students? So this is a very easy example. So number of ways in which committee of 4 students be chosen from 15 is given by 15C4. So 15C4 we can write it as 15 factorial upon 4 factorial into 15 minus 4 factorial, which is equal to 15 factorial upon 4 factorial into 11 factorial. Now 15 factorial can be written as 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 11 factorial. So 11 factorial cancels with 11 factorial. 4 3s are 12 cancels with 12. 3 1s are 3 7s are 14. Sorry, 2 7s are 14. So the remaining values are 15, 7 and 13. The final answer is 1365.